Hi everyone, the results of Jan 25 CA intermediate exams are out and our previous batch Powerprep students are super successful and we are coming out with the next Powerprep batch for May 25 exam. This time unfortunately we have only 2 months for May 25 exam. I know it is going to be a difficult task for completing all the 6 papers in 2 months as a revision with test series. You definitely need someone to handhold you for the purpose of this May 25 exam, and in many coaching centers also the classes are just getting completed by Feb end. So which means effectively you have 2 months, that is March and April. In these 2 months, that is 60 days, how are you going to tackle? So what you need to do is that join our Powerprep batch wherein we will provide you a detailed schedule as to minute what you need to do. And we are starting our batches from morning 8 o'clock to night 8 o'clock so that you will be in our premises and there will be revision classes handled by expert faculties who are taking classes at CA final level. Thereby, we will also do the study hours. In that study hours, you will be having doubt clarification by academics team. Thereafter, this time we are adding with a new feature where a doubt clarification is being done by CA final rankers too. And one more new feature we are adding this time is how to handle the exam pressure. So we are doing the mentoring support as well so that you all should become successful in the forthcoming exam. How this Powerprep batch is gonna be, you can ask our previous batch Powerprep students and please go through the reviews which is there in our YouTube channel as well and make the informed decision. Imagine this 2 months of your last leg of effort is going to make you super successful for May 25 exams. And if you are lazy, if you are feeling it's okay, let's do it once, make a try, etc., the costly mistake that you will be doing is by missing May 25 exam and thereby for September 25 you need to write. And why to waste? So why to waste that particular time? So please don't make the mistake and make your efforts, double your efforts in these 60 days and so that you all should be super successful. Thank you.